I'm Dr. Food Waste! And they finally let me choose a challenge for Claw! And we are going to do the Annialatrix! For the Annialatrix challenge, you have to create a Rube Goldberg machine, which performs a simple task, like wasting food, in an overly complicated fashion. Think like a ball rolling down a ramp that knocks over dominoes, that hits a stick, that knocks over a cup of water, that fills a pail, that pulls a light switch! Here's a quick example.